A little known secret at Curbside Laundries is we invite all of our clients to visit Super Suds, which is our family's laundromat. In this episode, Andrea from Let's Talk Dirty Laundry talks about why she flew out from Florida to visit our laundromat in Long Beach, California.
Hi, I'm Andrea Carney and I own Let's Talk Dirty Laundry in Cocoa Beach, Florida. I purchased it in August of 22. I went with Curbside Laundries because we really had a need for pickup and delivery and didn't have any software to do anything, and I found them. Came out here to Super Suds because the team's been very friendly, welcoming, and helpful. So I'm here at Super Suds in Long Beach to learn about how they use the software to do pickup and delivery, folding, binning, all that fun stuff. When I purchased the business, the previous owner had advertised pickup and delivery, so there were a few customers. However, it was just kind of very ad hoc. They would call and just someone would go grab it, which wasn't really scalable. And I had a lot of things to repair at the laundry, equipment and things, so that was taking a lot of my focus. And I wasn't really ready for pickup and delivery yet, but people were calling me every day wanting it. So I knew I needed to really jump in and do it. And I really needed a software to do it, so that's why I got Curbside. And we have a van too. We're just going like 100% into pickup and delivery, and it's growing every week. At least every week I get one new person. I came out to visit Super Suds because they're the expert in laundry, wash and fold, and pickup and delivery, and I really thought it was a great opportunity to learn from other people. Even though I've been doing this a little while, any little tips or tricks, or you never know what's going to help you in the long run, and sharing information to me is always really important. And I'm really happy to have my first laundry community connection.
Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to tap subscribe because in future episodes, we're going to take you behind the scenes at Super Suds, and you'll be going on tour with our drivers and launderers. And don't forget, to learn more about Curbside Laundry's pickup and delivery software, go to curbsidelaundries.com.